Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing crispy chicken wings on the Ninja Speedy. It's going to be super fast. Let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright, so this is what we got. We got a dozen chicken wings, flats, drums. Put in the comment below, are you a drum fan or a flat fan? Myself, I love flats. But anyway, this is it. We just got 12 of these. We're going to use a little bit of garlic salt. And if you guys haven't tried this, it's from Weber, but it's been out for a long time, but it's called Kickin' Chicken. This stuff is really good. So I got these turned upside down, or the big skin side facing down. And now we're just going to go ahead and, get a little bit of seasoning. A little bit of garlic salt. Oh, and this Kickin' Chicken. Oh, that even smells delicious. Nice little colors. Got big flakes of like red peppers, garlic. Oh man, all kinds of stuff. But it is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to turn these over and season the other side. And next time I open up this video, we will be over the Ninja Speedy. See you in a minute. Alright, so here we are at the Ninja Speedy. Now we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, and all we're going to start with is just the roasting pan, and from here we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water to the bottom. Then we are going to go in with our crisper tray. Go ahead and put that in the bottom. Oh yes, and we got our lovely chicken wings. Hey, you've got to try that Kickin' Chicken. It is awesome. So we got a dozen here, and we're gonna put these so you got like kind of the bottom side and the top side. We're gonna put the top side facing up. So we're gonna go ahead and get all these in here. Alright, so we have all 12 in perfectly. Right in there, no problem. Actually could fit a few more easily. They're out there, no problem. So we are going to go ahead and close the top here. We are going to turn the unit on. Now make sure you got your air fryer side over here, your Speedy Meals or rapid cooker side over here. We're going to go down to the steam crisp function. We're going to set it at 400 degrees. We're going to leave it at 20 minutes. Hit start. This is going to take probably 4 or 5 minutes to preheat, but once it's done, it'll start counting down. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, we are counting down, so a full 20 minutes. 3, 2, 1, 0. Boop. That thing is done. No looking, no flipping, no nothing. We're going to open this up. Might be a little bit of steam. Ooh, yeah. Alright, let's bring you in and take a quick look. Yes, those are absolutely, oh yeah, crispy, perfect. So I'm going to take these out, I'm going to plate them up, and we'll take a bite. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. Perfectly cooked chicken wings, and you can add whatever seasonings you want. It's got some ranch here. And if you don't like the celery, I do a little bit, carrots, whatever you want to add to the side, but easy chicken wings. Now, perfectly cooked. Now, I got to try them for you. I got to, just to make sure that they're all, cooked all the way through, so. Oh, yeah. Perfectly cooked. We need a dip of that ranch. I gotta finish that. Alright, so very, very simple. Now, don't go anywhere. I'll meet you at top. Actually, there's a couple things I want to say about this. See you in a minute. Alright, so we are finished with the cook. And like you've already seen, but actually I've been chomping a few of these real quick, but super, really easy. Just a few minutes to warm up, 20 minutes actual cook time, well, with the preheat about 23 minutes, and you got awesome wings. Throw some barbecue sauce, some hot sauce, buffalo sauce, whatever you like. on it, and they turn out amazing. The other thing I want to say is I'm coming out with a video for the Ninja SPEEDI of how to use the functions, because the functions are actually different. On other air fryers, like every function is pretty much the same, whether you cook air fry or whatever you choose. This actually is pretty surprising. I'm really liking this thing. So with that being said, make sure if you are new to the channel to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos from this and everything else. Make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment, and with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.